I think it is an underrated brand also, because whatever I have bought today, whatever I have used, I really feel the quality is top notch. Hello everyone, okay, welcome to my channel. My name is Aditi, and in today's video, as you know by the title, I'm going to show the Catrice products that I recently bought, and I'm super excited to try them all. I have today also tried a few of the products which I will be sharing with you in this video. I personally love watching makeup hauls, and they really give us insight what products to go for and what not, and what they feel like. So I really hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get started. So I will be showing you products in the way we apply makeup, and also before starting the products, I would like to tell you that Catrice is a very affordable brand, and the products are vegan, and I don't think I have tried a brand like this before, and I'm quite happy that I could get my hands on this beautiful brand. The packaging, the price point is super low, like whatever I have bought, every single product is under 10 euros, so I think it is very affordable. So the very first product I'll just show you. I think many of you would be able to guess something from this packaging. The primer, which is very famous, the Milk Makeup Primer, the gripping primer. So this is the Catrice Cosmetics Aqua Splash Grip Primer, and it is hydrating, and you get 30 ml of the product in this one. I think it is a good product. I really like the packaging. So it comes in this tube form. I'll show you the formula also. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I think because it is a tube thing, so you don't waste the product at all. And just try to blend it. So what you are supposed to do with the gripping primers is that let it sit on your skin for a while, and then apply your foundation or concealers. Give a little gap between the two so that it sticks your base products. So this is, it feels very cool on my hand. I really like the feel of this primer. And it has a very light fragrance, a very mild fragrance, not a very overpowering fragrance. It feels like cucumber to me. Very subtle and a very nice fragrance. The next product that I have with me is the Catrice 18-Hour Hydrating True Skin Concealer. It is a high coverage concealer, and the shade that I've bought is Warm Beige 020. And I couldn't find a lot of shades when I was looking for the concealer shades. I could only find 2 shades, I think, for the medium or the Indian skin tone. So this is how the applicator looks like. I'll just give you a swatch also. The shade looks quite light for me. I think I can use it as a highlighting thing. Okay, I'll just blend it also after a while. So again, all the products are under 10 euros. Can you imagine? A high coverage concealer under 10 euros. I think it is a unbelievable price point. And let me just blend. It feels very liquidy, and it's very, I mean, it is, this is the coverage. Can you see the coverage? It blends very easily. I really like the feel of this. It is a matte concealer, I think. And yeah, I will try to use it for highlighting, and then I'll be sharing the review of this concealer for sure. If you have already used it, let me know in the comment section. What I have with me is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. It claims to last up to 24 hours, and it is mattifying, waterproof, sweat-proof with niacinamide, and this is 30 ml again, and this is in the shade Medium Beige 034. In the foundation, there was a good variety, I think, for Indian skin tones, so I bought this one. And it comes with this dropper kind of a packaging, which I really don't like. I like the pump packaging in my foundations. So this is how it looks. Again, I'll just show you. It is quite thick. So this is how it feels. Let's put it on the primer that I had swatched before. So this is how it is, a high coverage for sure. Again, if you will smell it, then only you will be able to smell anything. Otherwise, you won't feel anything. Okay, so this is the shade. It has this yellow tone under it. So I think it is a very nice foundation. The next product that I have with me is the blush palette from Catrice. This is a blush duo. It is called Blush Affair Cream and Powder Palette. And it is a beautiful shade of pink. You can see the shade name is Stunning Strawberry. So this is the blush with powder, and this is the cream blush. I'll give you the swatch. This is the powder blush, very nice shade. This is the cream blush. So this blush is basically buildable, which I really like. You can't even see, even I can't see, because you have to take good amount of cream blush to see the color. And I had seen people comparing this blush, this pink cream blush, with Makeup by Mario blush. Can you imagine? That blush is so expensive, I think 35 euros, and this is so cheap, like 5 euros I think. And I'm really excited to try this product. This is a very nice concept. I have seen this for the first time, like a cream blush and a powder blush in a palette. I really like this color also. I think it will suit me very well. The next product with me is this beautiful palette right here. I know you can guess it for sure. The packaging is so nice, and it is called More Than Glow Highlighter. The name is More Than Glow Highlighter. I really like the packaging. Let me just open it if I can. Yeah, it has this beautiful flower thing going on. I absolutely love it. So stunning. I'm going to swatch this for the first time for this video. I don't feel like touching it. It's so stunning, so pretty. A very light swatch. Wow, I love it. So stunning. What a beautiful highlighter. So it comes in 3 shades, but when I went to purchase this, there were only 2 shades available. So I bought this one, Beyond Golden Glow, and I would highly recommend this for dark skin or medium skin tones. The next product that I got is a lip balm from Catrice. This is a Care in Colors lip balm, and the color shade is Bubbly Friday. This is a very plastic kind of packaging, nothing too fancy. This is how the color is. I'll just show you the swatch. I've already used it and it's quite good. I really liked it. It is like something that you can put on your bare lips if you don't want to wear a lipstick and you want a little tint on your lips. Then you can definitely, for fair skin tones, it's a beautiful option. So see, I swatched it so many times. Then this is the color, and it comes in various color options. I think you should definitely try this. It's a very cute lip balm. So now comes the last product, and that is my favorite product out of this entire haul, because I have already used it and many people rave about this product like anything, and I can really understand why the hype is so much. This is the lip gloss lip oil from Catrice, tinted lip oil. This shade is Party Crasher 60. It comes in, I think, total 4 shades. I'll just apply it also during the video. You will see, like, I've applied a matte lipstick. Okay, you will see instantly the difference it makes and how stunning this is. It comes in this doe foot applicator. Can you see the shine? Such an amazing gloss. I just love it. It gives such a life to your lips and it gives such a brightness to your whole face. I absolutely loved it, and I'm very sure I'm going to stock it up. It's super lightweight. I don't feel like I have anything on my lips. Again, this product is raved by so many people. And if you have access to Catrice products, please go and buy this. You will love this. So that was all I wanted to share with you in today's Catrice makeup haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching this as well. I'll try to share short reviews of the products once I use them. Thank you so much for your precious time. Thank you so much for watching, and wish you all a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye.